I'm Julie from Mount Garage Doors, and welcome to our virtual showroom. In this video, we'd like to give you the top 5 things to make your garage door decision quick and easy. The first thing to consider for your new garage door is insulated versus non-insulated. Garage doors come in 3 different levels: non-insulated, or 1 layer, builder grade insulated, or 2 layers, or sandwich steel and 3 layers. I have a lot of clients ask me, why should I insulate my garage door since my garage is not insulated? You insulate the garage door for the longevity and the stability of the door. It makes the door quieter, and it regulates the temperature as well. So our first decision was insulated versus non-insulated, and our second decision is design style. The first door I want to show you is a standard raised panel garage door. You've probably seen it in many neighborhoods. It comes with glass and without glass, and short panel or long panel. Our next door is a carriage style garage door, and there are numerous options for this. This door is considered a stamped steel long panel garage door with ultra grain finish and inserts. This door is an example of a carriage style stamped steel short panel in white. Here's another example of a stamped steel carriage garage door. So we've had raised panel standard garage doors, stamped steel carriage doors, and now we move on to the carriage door with vinyl overlay. The vinyl overlay door gives you the illusion of wood without the maintenance. Some of the advantages are that it's more customizable than the stamped steel, and the detail stands out on the door. So now we move on to windows. You can have plain glass in either the top section or the second section down. You can have windows with inserts, or a door made with all windows or full view glass. And of course, you can always have a door with no windows at all. Now it's time to pick the color for your new garage doors. So many options here. You can go with a wood tone color, or you can go with traditional colors like white, sand tone, or almond, or new colors like black, forest green, and bronze. Accessory that you can add to your carriage style garage door are handles that come in different varieties, or hinges. You can just put handles on the door or no hardware at all. Our last thing is not necessarily an accessory for your garage door, but an added addition would be a new garage door opener. So that's it. The top 5 things to remember are insulated versus non-insulated, design options, windows, no windows, or windows with inserts, color, and the accessories to go along with your garage door. Our showroom is available anytime by appointment. Just give us a call at 410-549-2668 and we'll be happy to accommodate your schedule.